Good day, sir. This is my video of myself discussing the 9 classifications of dangerous goods. Class 1: explosives, substances that are explode or cause a rapid release of gas and heat. Explosives kay mo kini ang mubuto og kadlitan. Example: fireworks, dynamite, ammunition. Class 2 gases. Class 2 gases, compressed, liquefied or dissolved gases that may be flammable, toxic or non-flammable. Example: propane, oxygen, chlorine. Class 3 flammable liquids that give off flammable vapors and can easily ignite. Example: gasoline, ethanol, paint, thinner. Class 4 flammable solids. This is solids that can ignite easily or react dangerously with water or air. Example: methanes, phosphorus, and sodium. Class 5 oxidizing substances and organic parasites. This is materials that release oxygen or cause other materials to burn more easily. Example: ammonitrate, hydrogen peroxide. Class 6 toxic and infectious substances. These are materials that are poisonous or can spread disease. Kani kuno nga materials kaning poisonous kan makahilo or makahawa og sakit o makagamag sakit. Example: cyanide, medical waste, and viruses. Class 7 radioactive material. These are substances that emit harmful ionizing radiation.